Hey guys, it's Pam. Today is, Thursday, and I wanted to jump on and share with you um, some packages that I've been saving up to open up live to share with you, so we can all be surprised together. And they are packages from MightyNest. And if you haven't heard of MightyNest, it's a great online company that has a huge variety of eco-friendly products. And if you know anything about me and how I kind of approach trying to live greener, I think one of the easiest ways to do it is to take something you're already doing, or like a product you're already using that's already sort of in your routine, and just swapping that out, when you're done with it, to an eco-friendlier version of it. And so I think the MightyNest is a great way to kind of get those other options, those other alternatives, those alternative products to things you're already using. And they have this really cool subscription program called the Mighty Fix. And it basically delivers one new eco-friendly product to you every month. And I believe you can choose to be surprised every month, which is what I do, because who doesn't like a surprise? Or you can, I believe, choose to pick which product you want to try out every month. So it's like changing things over slowly, which I think is another kind of one of the easier ways to go green, instead of trying to like do everything all at once, because I totally done that. So I choose to get a different new product every month. And so I'm going to open them with you live. I've been saving them up for the last few months, probably like the last 4, I think I have 4 packages here. So I haven't opened them. I undid the package so it's open, so you don't have to watch me open everything individually. So, okay. So here's the first product. I don't know what's in it. I don't know when I got this. I've just been saving them. Okay, let's see what we got. And if you want to try out the MightyNest, I left some links in the chat where you can check out. I think there's a promo code you can use too to try it for a little bit cheaper. Awesome. These are so cool. Okay, so here we go. These things make me so excited. These are Swedish dishcloths, which for some reason I have a hard time saying. But oh, these are so cute. Okay, there are 2 different patterns. And I have some of these from a different brand that are just plain colors, but these are super cute. And what these are, they're basically like a reusable cross between a paper towel and a sponge. And I have used Swedish dishcloths before, and they're awesome. So yeah, they're really absorbent. Wow, these are so cute. Yeah, and the thing with the Mighty Fix subscription is in every product package. Not only do you get a really cool product to try, so this I would say you could use instead of a one-use paper towel. So you can cut down on your use of paper towels. They go in the washing machine, so you can wash and clean them and disinfect them, so they're not going to be filled with germs. But everything comes with a little postcard, and it gives you a little bit more information about the product, and it kind of tells you, why it's a great eco-friendly swap. So I love this. It's not only the product, but also info about it, why it makes sense to use it. Okay, so I love this. Yay. Awesome. All right, let's see what else we got. This one's a little heavier. My next. Oh, wow. This is so cool. This is like my birthday. See, I saved it. This is awesome. This is, here, I'll show you. It is a bamboo cutting board. So I am skipping plastic cutting boards, which is, a great swap. You may already have something like this, or a wooden cutting board at home, which is, I think, a better option in terms of like using plastic. I try to stay away from plastic. You can't completely stay away from plastic, but I try. Wow, this is really pretty too. It's a little mini cutting board that will definitely come in handy. I love that. And so for example, here's the postcard that came with it. So what makes it mighty? So that's, eco-friendly. Bamboo is a naturally antimicrobial material. It's sustainably harvested. It's finished with a plant-based finishing oil, no GMOs or toxins. So that's why this is a great swap. And it's super simple. I love that. All right. Okay. Again, if you guys want to try MightyNest, I put a promo code in the chat for you. Okay. One more. I thought I had. What is this? Awesome. I love these. I do have some of these, but these are so great. Okay. This is a stasher bag. So that the stasher, I believe, is the brand. Yeah. So it's basically a, it's a resealable food storage bag. And this is made of, I believe, silicone. Yeah. A silicone storage bag. So it's really replaces for you the zip top plastic bags. And so this is awesome. I do have a couple of these. I like this color, and they're really just replaces the plastic bag. So this is a great eco-friendly option. And here is the postcard, why it matters, what makes it mighty. Yeah, this is pure silicone, no BPAs or toxic chemicals. Goodbye, plastic bags. Okay, this is awesome. I love this too. Totally going to use that. I mean, I'm going to use all this. It's great. This is what I love about it. It gives you an opportunity to just try, one thing a month. It's easy. Okay, here's the last product. This little box. I'm pretty excited. Oh, here's the sticker. It's cute. Awesome. This is very cool. I actually have this already, but I am more than happy to use more of it because I really like this product. Okay, so this is a product. So MightyNest doesn't, from what I understand, they don't actually make the products. They just are sort of, a resource for, products from other brands. So like that was a stasher bag. This is a product from Melior, which I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. But this is a laundry powder. And I do actually have this. This seems like a little sample size, but I do have a larger size of it in a different scent. But this is really cool because it's a paper container. Okay. And then it's a laundry powder. I mean, this packaging is totally recyclable. It's not in a plastic bottle. And then what else do I have in here? Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't know they made this too. So this is a laundry stain removal soap stick. Awesome. We will have to give that a whirl and see how it does with stains for us. I don't have little kids, but, I do have a 13-year-old boy. So we have stains. So I'm definitely going to try this out. This is in the scent lemon, and it's probably scented in a way that is non-toxic. A lot of fragrances and cleaning products are using, harmful chemicals to create the scent. So something like this, I'd have to read that. That's a little really small print. I'd have to read how it is fragrance, but I bet it's a non-toxic way. And just a quick tip, when you're looking for like cleaning products, I tend to use a couple of databases like the Environmental Working Group database. The EPA also has I think it's a Safer Choices database that you can go in and check out and get more information about the, the safety, how safe a certain cleaner is. And they both sort of rate them. And so you can check things like that out. But we will definitely try this out. And I think, is there one more thing in here? No, it's paper. Okay. And this one also has a little card to go with it. So I think I just got 4 packages. I thought I had one more. That's it. Anyway, so again, I love the MightyFix subscription service. It's once a month. There's a promo code if you want to check it out. You can try it. You can also just buy things from MightyNest. You don't have to do the subscription service. You can go on and shop just like any other online store. But it's a great way to check out all sorts of different eco-friendly products that you can, once you run out of something and you have, like now I have this laundry detergent, I'll give that a try and see if if I like it. So I also want to mention, as I'm sort of talking about like the Swedish dishcloths and giving up paper towels and cleaning products, I do have, which I'll leave a link to also, a free list of 20 green habits that you can start today. And it's just simple things that you can literally do today that are a teeny bit more eco-friendly. And I'll leave a link to that. If you want to get a copy, just download it and pick something, and give it a try. I do also have a little more in-depth information that you can also get that talks a little bit more about, how you can kind of not just green a product, like switch to an eco-friendly product, but how you can also kind of, I like to call it green, a whole routine where you can go from using paper towels and napkins, and I'll walk you through how to give those up, what to do instead, all that kind of stuff. And right now I'm focusing on 3 routines that we do all the time anyway, but that we all probably did a lot more of when we were at home a lot more these last few months, and that's using paper towels and napkins. So I'll teach you how to give those up. We'll talk about how to use safer, more eco-friendly cleaners, like, for example, something like this. We'll talk about, why it's important, I think, to do it and how to do it, what to use instead. And then lastly, I can walk you through what to do and some kind of, out of the box ideas for what to do with maybe all of those items that you don't want or need anymore, that kind of came out of the closets and drawers and all over your house, maybe when you did some uncluttering and cleaning during your additional time at home over the last few months. So I can leave a link for that as well. But anyway, so I hope this was fun to unbox these things with me. I was certainly surprised. I love everything. I'll use it all. Some of it I already have. Some of it's new that I am looking forward to trying out because I love eco-friendly products. I don't know if that's weird. I just think it's cool to try new products that do the same thing that I normally use it for, just with a little bit of an eco-friendly twist. Because to me, that's kind of one of the easiest ways to live greener. Like every day, it's not really a change. It's just a change in what you're using. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on, and I will leave links to everything that I mentioned, and I hope to see you guys soon. Okay, take care. Bye.